All right, Ken.
Yeah.
It's another day.
I know.
We're wearing the same shirts. It's not another day. It's the same day. Fun fact, we film a lot of videos the same day.
Otherwise, you cut into my tacos and drinking.
You definitely can't have that. We select one day a week to film, typically around tacos.
So sometimes 2 days a week.
Normally it's Taco Tuesday. Today it's Taco Monday.
Which, by the way, your favorite taco place is not open on Mondays.
I'm going home. Is it really closed on Monday?
It's seriously closed on Monday. That's the most horrible news I've ever found out.
As if Mondays didn't suck enough.
Maybe that's why they just
I only showed up because I thought we were eating tacos today. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, this stuff's cool, but tacos. Well, anyway.
Just so you know, I've disappointed everybody in my life.
Ken?
Yeah.
I can see that about you.
Yeah, you're no exception. You're no exception.
So speaking of this stuff, what do we got here, Ken?
We're going to rip off this piece of crap plastic bumper in the rear, and we're gonna put a new rear bumper on it. It's a Stubby, and we got the Fascia Kit from Rusty's Offroad as well. Not that you had any say in it. That's what we were running.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
I am very excited to get these on. I have loved the look of them ever since I saw you put yours on. And I think maybe the first one that we put on, was it your jail or was it that Gladiator?
The Gladiator is a totally different rear bumper.
Oh, that's right. Okay, it wasn't. That had the full length bumper. That didn't have the Stubby. Okay, so it was yours then that we saw this on the first time. All right, well.
Open it up.
Let's open it up and see what we got.
You open.
Do you have I'm going to cut my fingers off because your cart's rolling. Hey, Ken, you want to tell me that I suck with the knife again like you do every time I cut something open?
No, because you haven't told me how much you hate me today.
I did. You just weren't listening. Hey, fun fact. I also told Eric I hate him today. Maybe a couple times I didn't even cut through it. That's pathetic.
You're horrible with a knife.
There we go. Here's one.
Here's one.
Where's the big one? There's the big one.
And hardware.
The big long one.
That's it. Sit them over there. Yep, there's your beautiful end caps.
They will not be beautiful for very long, but thank you.
Not if it's like anything else we own.
I am.
I don't want to get my hands dirty.
Ken, put your finger right here. Hold this real quick.
No. I just had manicure pedicure done today, dude. I'm not getting dirty.
And you're not kidding either.
I'm not kidding. I went and had a manicure pedicure done today, and I don't want to get dirty.
Ken is a very masculine man.
You shut your pie hole. Dude, it's gonna fall in the car.
I don't know of another man that's gotten a manicure pedicure and is as excited about it as you.
Don't make me let my hair down.
When you told me you were out, I'm like, okay, I'm heading over in about a half an hour. Are you back yet, or are you, what did I say?
Getting your hair done.
Getting your hair done. Fun stuff.
Big old box of hardware.
And the Stubby.
Beautiful.
It's a great look.
Dude, this is gonna be so awesome.
No sensors, because
Where'd
remember,
the knife go?
I put it over here.
Let's see what else is in here. Yeah, this is
no
the no sensor
sensors
option.
Because
so you can get this with or without the sensor holes. You're obviously bought the cheapest goddamn Jeep you could find.
With a hard top and an automatic.
And air conditioning.
And air conditioning. I think that's standard.
I don't know.
Do they make it with air
I just feel like I have to say that though.
Even my 97 Wrangler had air conditioning.
Not until I fixed it.
No, it worked. I just never used it until it didn't work. And then when it didn't work, I wanted it to work. It's one of those things.
You never fixed it until our big trip though.
I never well, it worked probably for the first, I don't know, maybe 9 years I've owned the Jeep. But I never used it because I always just keep the top and doors off. And then before our big trip, I wanted to replace everything. So we replaced the entire thing, like soup to nuts, right? O-rings, everything.
Yep.
And I haven't used it yet. But it works now.
No, you used it on the trip.
Oh, you're right. I did that one day where it was like 90.
You used it for like 3 damn weeks straight.
Yeah. No, that's not true because Amarillo was like below freezing.
Only when we woke up.
Only when we woke up.
That was when I was trying to get you to cuddle in the hammocks.
There will not be a video on that. I don't know that that's good for my sweater, dude. It's gonna be like the 40-year-old virgin. I did get a lot of hair on that though. Look, check that out.
That's so disgusting, dude. You actually pulled hair off and it's so gross.
Well, it's tape on my hairy arm. What do you think is going to happen?
That's so disgusting.
All right. You ready to put these on?
Huh? Yeah, let's watch Eric do it.
Got a side bracket. I didn't know if I was going to have to put.
Keep wiggling, Ken. They might come out.
Shut up.
Shit, you don't.
If anybody needs free bumpers for a JLU Sport, hit me up.
The best part of the day, we get to drill holes. I would imagine this is one of those mods that you want to do this rear fascia kit before you off-road too much and bend the crap out of your tub, huh?
I would.
I would imagine that the fitment is going to go much better.
Yeah. You put your corner in. I'll hold this.
This is how we install it. Let's get a couple more of those, and we just got to trim around the tailgate so we can close it, and we're good. Like a glove. That one looks like a glove too.
Yep. Yeah, Rusty's gonna be down there this weekend, so.
So we've been slaving away at this thing, but we finally got Eric's like, oh, I can't stop laughing.
Everybody needs an Eric in life.
Everybody needs an Eric in life. So Eric just got done
Installing the fascia.
installing the fascia kit.
Yep.
And as always, excellent fitment, excellent quality. It looks dope as hell.
And it actually offers a crap ton of protection when you come down on rocks, ledges, anything of that nature. It actually will help save a lot of damage.
So what's next?
Bolt the bumper on and tacos.
Bumper and tacos.
Bumper and tacos.
In that order.
Yes. Yep.
I'm excited. More for the tacos? I don't know. I'm kind of excited about both. I'm always excited about tacos. I'm extra excited about the bumper.
Well, being that this piece of crap Jeep isn't mine, I'm more excited about tacos.
I understand.
And I'd like to wash my feet. Look at how dirty my feet are. I just got a manicure today. Pedicure. I got both.
You got both.
And my feet are filthy now.
Gotta wash those. That's so weird. That's so weird. Don't touch my face.
Ken,
Yeah.
I'm glad you didn't throw your back out lifting up that massive spare tire.
It's a good thing I had.
Hey, Ken.
Yeah.
Great work on the license plate.
Handy dandy.
Ken,
Zip ties fix everything.
Ken, did we forget to order something?
No, we didn't forget to order your spare tire mount and license plate holder. It's just not here yet. So in the meantime, since that used to go over here, it's gonna sit there for like till next week or something.
It'll be fine.
Yeah,
It
doesn't bother me none.
It's not gonna fall off.
I don't care.
If it does, they sell new ones.
Yeah, every day of the week they make new ones. All right, guys. Why is it always guys? Women don't watch it, kids.
Hey, people. Hello, YouTube. Folks. Folks.
Folks.
Are kids folks?
Kids are folks.
Kids are folks? Kids are folks. All right, we're going folks.
All right, folks. Thanks for checking in. See us next Wednesday. We'll bolt more crap to this thing.
Yippee!